Hello, pizza lovers. Welcome to Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the world of healthy and delicious pizza recipes. Whether you are a pizza lover or looking for new pizza ideas, you are in for a treat. Let's start with the essential of making the perfect pizza. First up, it's all about the perfect pizza dough. Check out this easy pizza dough recipe that will elevate your pizza game. Now let's whip up a mouth-watering homemade pizza sauce. It is the secret to a flavorful pizza. Get ready for some creative pizza ideas that will tickle your taste buds. Planning a pizza party. We have got you covered with these fantastic pizza party ideas. Want a twist on a classic pizza? Dive into the world of pizza rolls with this easy pizza roll recipe. Who says pizza cannot be healthy? Discover some guilt-free pizza recipes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Getting kids to eat their veggies in a breeze with these kid-friendly pizza recipes. Craving something different? Try these delightful pizza bread recipe for a unique pizza experience. Let's embark on a global pizza adventure and explore pizza variation from different corners of the world. Experience the classic Neapolitan pizza, a simple yet delicious masterpiece from Naples, Italy. Dive into the hearty world of Chicago dish pizza, a thick and cheesy delight that is a windy city favorite. For our plant-based friends, let's explore the world of veggie pizza creation that are just as tasty as they are compensate. Discover the variety of veggie pizza recipe that showcase deliciousness of plant-based ingredients. There you have it, vlogs, healthy and delicious pizza recipe that are sure to satisfy your pizza cravings. Check out the full recipe on our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and food tips. Until next time, happy pizza making!